What is up, everyone? This is MotoCharles here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the error location is not available. So let's get right into this. So if you get this error, the easiest thing to do to basically fix this error is open up a folder, click into local disk C, basically inside this PC. In here, you're going to find something called Windows. So right here, under Windows, you're going to look for something called System32. So we're going to look for System32 right here. In here, we're going to look for something called Config. So it should be right here. You're going to press continue. Then you're going to basically look for something called system profile right here. Same thing, give access. In here, you're going to make a folder called desktop. So right click into it, create a new folder, call it desktop with capital D, and then restart your computer. Once you do this, you should be good to go, and you should not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. That's all you guys need to do. If you guys have a video, please thumbs up. If you guys are on the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and that MotoCharles out. Peace.